After a long week in the shop restoring old caterpillars, sometimes a man just needs a chance to restore himself. Crafted with notes of warm diesel, aged machinery, and just a whisper of bad decisions from Facebook Marketplace.
Smells like a cold start of an old D8. Craig, you're not going to believe the deal I just saw on market. Police. I'm restoring myself. Okay.
Old iron. Bring the shop home.
Does the smell of diesel is cheaper than therapy?
Welcome to part 2 of the Relaxing Sounds of Caterpillar with your pal, John Moyna.
Available exclusively at the Earthmoving Legacy Center and online at earthmovinglegacy.com/shop.